Hello guys and welcome back to Almas Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PlayStation Store error code "please wait" and it doesn't load. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is simply turn off your PS4, and what you're going to do is you're basically going to put your PS4 into safe mode. And if you don't know how to do that, do not worry, I'll show you in this video. So in order for you to put your PS4 into safe mode, you're going to have to make sure that the PS4 has been completely turned off. And basically when the blinking light has been completely shut off, that's when you know the PS4 has been completely turned off. And you will also need a PS or USB charger, or basically your PlayStation 4 controller charger. And in order to put this PS4 into safe mode, what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the power button for 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. So that was the first beep. And then that was the second beep. Now, once you hear the second beep, you can let go. And now safe mode should pop up any second now. All right, now once safe mode does pop up, what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the power button on your PS4 controller, or just tap it. Now from here, you're going to scroll all the way down to Rebuild Database. You're going to click on Rebuild Database. Now, the reason of the error code could be is because the database is simply just corrupt, and rebuilding it will basically delete all the corrupt files and fix everything up. Now, it might take a while depending on the last time you did this. It might take a few seconds to even a few hours. So yeah, let's keep that in mind. And then once you do, click OK. And then when it's done rebuilding, everything should be good to go and you guys should be all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.